Hello to all traders and welcome to another Market Insights video brought to you by Orbex. So as we kick off the trading week, it's all about gold after the free fall that we saw not only from last week but from the past couple of weeks, from the 19th of April in particular, where we saw this decline over nearly $100 as we now look at support at the 1800 handle, which is something that we didn't think we would see anytime soon, especially with this Ukraine-Russia crisis ongoing. But the greenback has had quite a big session in the last few days, and we've seen the DXY hover above the 105 handle. It had a bit of a day to forget on Friday. It did fall a few dollars. However, it has kept momentum above $100, which has seen a lot of gold and oil traders shift their momentum. Sentiment has been moving quite significantly. So now we're just looking to see what is in store next for gold. And also, we can't talk about gold without talking about oil as well. Oil has been quite consolidated recently, but we're just waiting for the next major move, especially with the next news coming out that Vladimir Putin is scaling back on providing Europe with oil. You know, the sanctions really getting tough now, so we'll see what that means for the black gold as well. So speaking of the yellow metal, we're just looking now, as I said, from the 19th of April, this descent down to the 1800 handle. However, more significantly is that we did test the 1800 handle. However, it does look like we have found support at that particular area. So things aren't looking too bad for bulls. However, we are still, we are in the crisis, very deep crisis at the moment, to see if we're going to have these yearly lows. Just scale it back a little bit for you on the chart. What I mean by yearly lows is we're seeing these moves from the beginning of the year, January, February, roughly going down to the 1780, 1777 area. This could actually be achieved once more if we crack this 1800 handle. But as you can see, this was from the back end of last week. We did pierce the 1800 handle, just pointed it out for you. However, now we are looking to see that prices will have a bit of a bounce to the upside in the next few trading sessions. Not too much to go through with the signals on the RSI or MACD. We're just looking at strong news coming out of America. I just want to look at the DXY very quickly here, and as you can see here, moving very vastly, keeping this ascension to the upside. We've got retail sales data coming out of America tomorrow, which could signify another recovering factor in the American economy. So just keep an eye out for that as well. But I just don't want to get stuck on the DXY at the moment. Just wanted to give you a little bit of a look to see where we are heading. If we look on the 4-hour chart on gold as well, with the assistance of the Ichimoku cloud, which is the indicator I like to use just to see what my open and closing positions are. We are very way down below the Ichimoku cloud on the 4-hour chart, which gives me an indication that this will keep on pursuing. But the 1800 handle, as you can see here, already pointed it out, we did see a small spike in that area, so we're now seeing if it's going to be valid support or if there's going to be another test to the downside, which we'll probably see in the next couple of trading days. Looking at oil though, oil, as I said, it's been consolidating quite nicely at the moment. Not really too much to talk about since we are seeing a lot of fundamental news outbreaks in the headlines for the last few trading sessions. At the moment, we are kind of going into, sorry about my handwriting there. We are looking into a bit of a triangle, and it's looking like we have been testing this. So prices are looking to probably stay above $100, probably consolidate for a little bit longer until we see a progressive signal to see the next direction for oil. It has been very precarious for a lot of traders because it could have gone either way. But now, as you can see here, it's very choppy, not really giving us much direction. And now we can possibly see another move to the upside, being hit by some vast resistance here, roughly about the 110 area, which will be quite significant in the near term as well. So just keep an eye on all the fundamentals, especially with gold and oil really having a big effect on the news. The greenback is obviously leading the way at the moment with the vast ascension. We saw that it hit the 100 handle for the first first time in a while, and now it's going up to 105. You know, these levels we haven't seen in over 20 years, since 2002, I believe. So this has been very, very buoyant for America. So keep an eye on the headlines for the next few trading days. As I said, tomorrow we've got retail sales coming out of America, so that can signify, as I said, a recovering economy even further. So join me for tomorrow's video, where we take a look at all the topics, all the headlines, and to see what are the best advantages for you as a trader. So until then, we'll speak again. Bye for now.